It's not just about surviving day to day anymore. Now, it's about building a whole new way of life in a world that is permanently, completely frozen. In the world they build, its values are completely inverted from ours. I mean, everything that we think defines success and power, totally useless. A global energy grid, gone. It's all about coal, wood, and fire. A global economy, nope. It's about being able to repair things and bartering for what you need. And leadership, it's not about politics or wealth anymore. The leader is the person who actually has practical skills, the one who can hunt, or the one who knows how to build a shelter that won't collapse.
And, this doesn't happen overnight. This adaptation takes generations. It takes a full 5 years just for that great wave of migration to finally end. It takes 20 years before people establish the first stable, long-term shelters, mostly underground. And then, by year 50, you have an entire new generation that's born into this world, a generation that has never, ever seen green land. For them, a warm beach is just a fairy tale. The ice, that's their normal.
But out of all this, a new, incredibly resilient culture starts to form. You know that whole idea of rugged individualism? That's a death sentence now. The only way to live is through cooperation.